Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number 149AV. This is a mill finish aluminum residential. They call it a saddle type threshold. It's really better called a half saddle. If you use your imagination, it's half of a saddle. But the 149 is representative of this profile. This is a bump up style, or butt up to style threshold. The A means mill aluminum finish, as you can see. The V stands for vinyl. That's what the insert material is. This threshold is going to be available in a dark bronze finish and likely gold as well. Let's take a look. We'll pull up those other finishes, but while we are doing that, there is a image below this video showing the important dimensional properties of the item. But back to the finishes, what we have here is mill aluminum finish, bright dip gold, which will be a much shinier, even metallic version of gold, dark bronze, gold anodized, which is a more matte finish, painted white, satin nickel, and that's it. So those, I believe, 5 or 6 finishes. So practically every finish you want, you'll be able to get in this residential type threshold. Now, the image below this video showing the dimensional properties, let's go over that next. You can see from that image that it's 2.5 inch wide and 3/4 tall, but the 2.5 inch is just the extrusion alone. When you add the projection of the vinyl, you're at 2 3/4 inch. Okay, 1/2 inch in the, 3/4 inch in the height. Okay. Now, where you're going to use this sort of threshold in residential applications, common installation is going to be a garage door, a basement door, a back door, a side door, whereby which that door is going to literally close up and over some sort of finished floor condition, but up against the face of the threshold, creating the seal. This would generally be, in an exterior application where the door swings in. If it was me, I would probably want to augment the installation with a door sweep as well, but I would probably opt to use one that might have a little bit of an angle to it, so that when I approached this, I would not be interfering with what was happening here. Or even better yet, an automatic door bottom. That would be a great way to go. The point of the matter is the seal is right at the face of the door, and any sort of intrusion would immediately be on the inside of the door. I might look to augment it, but regardless, this is incredibly common. I've seen this on interior doors as well, that were leading to a garage or to an addition, that sort of situation. Okay. Available in several different lengths. This happens to be a 3-foot length. If you have a need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and simply indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. Now the reasoning is if you had to take this 36-inch piece and cut it down to say 32-inch, which is a quite common size, you'd eliminate that countersink. And speaking of that countersink, screws are included in a complementary finish. But the point is, you're going to be stuck drilling another hole and countersinking another hole after you've cut it. You may not want to do that. You may not have the tools to do that or the desire. I'm a product of finding easier ways to do stuff, allowing for less work as an option. So I would be personally apt to just ordering the proper size, because it would give it to me cut to length. It'd give it to me at the proper distance from the end for this first countersink, and then the proper center to center as well. The name Pemko is synonymous with all things weather stripping related, not only thresholds that are primarily used like the 149 in a residential sort of application, but of course commercial weather stripping as well. They are the single manufacturer that offers the widest, broadest spectrum of goods in weather stripping that can be available from a single producer. There's an image, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line product catalog and review all things weather stripping related. Not only thresholds, of course, but perimeter gasketing, door sweeps, material made of aluminum like this one, stainless steel, architectural bronze. If you have any questions on the Pemko 149 AV, bump up or half saddle type threshold, or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.